Have you ever looked in the mirror and asked yourself, why do I feel so out of control? Like no matter how much you try, your emotions still take over. You're smiling on the outside, but inside you're tired, tired of overthinking, tired of feeling small, tired of the storm in your own mind. But what if I told you the power to calm that storm has always been inside you? You didn't lose control, you just forgot where to look. And today I want to help you remember, not just with tips, but with gentle truths, with practical steps, and most importantly, with a voice that believes in you, even on the days you don't believe in yourself. This is more than an English listening practice. It's your moment to heal, to grow, and to take back your peace. Let's begin. Imagine it's late at night. You're tired, you know you should sleep, but your finger keeps scrolling. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, a voice in your head says, just one more. And then suddenly it's 2 a.m. You feel empty, your eyes hurt, and your heart still heavy. This is the trap of temporary pleasure. Real control begins when you say, I choose what I need, not just what I want right now. Because sometimes true peace is not watching a movie, it's closing your eyes and choosing rest. So tomorrow you rise stronger. You are not weak because you feel. You are human. Anger, fear, sadness, they visit all of us. But don't let them drive your life. Let them speak. But don't let them steer. Next time someone hurts you, pause, breathe, ask yourself, is my reaction building peace or burning bridges? That one pause can protect years of your peace. You wake up, turn on your phone, see the news, someone fighting, a post comparing your life to someone else's, a sad song that repeats your loneliness. And suddenly you wonder, why do I feel low all the time? Because your senses are gateways. What you watch, what you hear, what you eat, what you speak, it all becomes you. Try this. Instead of a sad playlist, play calming piano music. Instead of gossip, listen to one inspiring podcast. Instead of scrolling at night, light a candle and breathe. Watch how your inner world changes. Like a garden finally getting clean air and sunlight. You are not your past. But if you keep remembering your pain, you keep reliving it. Some people water memories of heartbreak every day, but what if, instead of asking, why did that happen to me, you asked, how did I grow from it? Remember this. Your scars are not shame, they are strength, proof that you survived. So stop feeding your pain and start remembering your power. If you told a child every day, you're not enough, you always fail, that child would shrink. But many of us talk to ourselves that way. Stop, stand in front of the mirror, look into your own eyes and say, I am learning, I am healing, I am not perfect, but I am growing. Say it again and again until your mind starts to believe. This is not pretending, it's programming, and your brain listens to repetition. Sadness is not bad, it's a whisper, please listen. Anger is not evil, it's a scream. Something feels unfair. Don't run from your emotions, sit with them, ask, why are you here? What are you trying to show me? When you name it, you can tame it. Emotions don't need control. They need compassion. You can't grow sunflowers in poison if your life feels heavy. Look around, who are you listening to? Are they people who lift you up or people who pull you down? Even one negative voice can become a storm inside you. So start spending time with books that teach you, videos that calm you, friends who believe in your future. If you can't find those people yet, become one of them for yourself. Your brain is not a circus. It is not meant to juggle 10 things at once. Multitasking, that's a myth. True power is focus. Try this, choose one task. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Put away your phone, give it your full heart. You'll be surprised how clear your mind becomes. When it has just one job, your mind is like a factory. It produces thousands of thoughts each day. Not all of them are true, that voice that says you will fail. You're not ready. They will laugh at you. That's not truth, that's fear. Challenge it. Ask, is this 100% true? What's a stronger thought I can choose? You don't have to fight the thoughts, just stop feeding them. Close your eyes. Can you see yourself? Speaking English with confidence, helping your family, smiling with peace, that vision, keep it close. Because your brain believes what it sees. Each morning, picture your success, not just the goal, but the feeling. That energy will move your thoughts will move your habits, and your habits will move your life. If you don't tell your mind what to focus on, it will chase everything. So every morning say, today I choose peace. Today I take one step forward. Today I speak gently to myself. This small sentence becomes your compass. When the day gets noisy, you think discipline is harsh? No, discipline is devotion to your future self. It's saying, I promised myself I'd show up, so I will even if I'm tired. Each time you do the hard thing, you grow your power, not all at once, but one small victory at a time. So many of us live everywhere but here. We eat but think about work. We smile but worry inside. We walk but rush in our minds. Come back to your breath, to your step, to this moment. Because this moment is the only place peace can live. Sit down, close your eyes, inhale, exhale, that's it. No music, no rules, just presence. When thoughts come, greet them but return to your breath. You are not escaping the world. You are returning to yourself. Meditation isn't magic, it's medicine. You carry pain, unspoken emotions, silent dreams, that's okay, but they don't have to stay inside, right? What hurt me today? What do I wish someone knew? What am I proud of, even secretly? Let the paper hold your weight, then write your power. I kept going today. I didn't give up. I'm still here. That's not just journaling. That's transformation, if you're still listening. I want to say something. I know you've been tired. I know you've had days when you wanted to give up, but you didn't, and that means everything. No one else has to understand. Because you are on your own sacred journey of learning, healings, becoming. You are not behind, you are not broken, you are not weak. You are becoming, so keep going. Take a deep breath. Place your hand on your heart and whisper to yourself, I am not done yet. My story is still unfolding, and I am proud of me. Thank you for being here. Thank you for choosing peace. And thank you for believing that you are worth the journey.